Now, Chief Meteorologist Scott Dorval with the On Your Side forecast.
How about this Brundage Mountain Resort opening today? You want to see some powder? Check this out. Beautiful conditions for opening day. A little cloud cover, but how about that? Fresh tracks, first of the season. You can't beat that. And this is Tamarack Resort right here. Beautiful aerial shots of opening day as well. They had top to bottom skiing, powder and groomed runs alike, with the blue sky showing up as well over Tamarack today. Gorgeous conditions. And I tell you what, hundreds, if not thousands, of happy skiers in central Idaho during the day today. All right, let's take a look at what's going on right now. Temperature-wise, it's cold, and tomorrow will be no different for your Saturday. Temperature might get up and hover around 30. Some places may get to 32, but the inversion will still be there. It might try to break a little bit. We'll get some partly cloudy skies and hazy. Not a big change coming in from what we had during the day today. But right now, if you're stepping outside, this is what it feels like. Not frigid like it was this morning, but there's a little bit of a breeze. It's actually fairly light, but it feels like it's 28 degrees or so through most of the valley right now. Some places have more of a breeze than others, but it will get cold tonight. The places that have a clear sky, if you look up, you'll get the colder readings, and where the snow is on the ground towards Mountain Home. Everyone else, it'll be a little slower decline of that temperature. A few flurries in eastern portions of Idaho today, but not much has happened. High pressure has been drifting through the state during the day today. Our first weak system coming in from the west is going to break up as it's running into high pressure. The high pressure weakens and the system weakens. So what's left is just some cloud cover and a few snow flurries, snow showers that could push into the blues during the day tomorrow. But there's really not much with this front right here as it comes in, but it is working to knock this ridge of high pressure down and dampen it. Here's our next system. This is Monday's, a very well-developed comma shape right here, but as it too runs into what's left of the high pressure, it will weaken also, but it will likely still hold together enough to bring some snow into eastern Oregon on Sunday night, and then Monday morning, and then later on Monday, now it appears that will make it into western Idaho. Behind that, right on the edge of your screen, a much wetter storm coming in for the day on Wednesday. So that's what we have all of this tracking in. That's the Monday storm right there that we're keeping an eye on. So let's kind of step through it here. If you're traveling across the Northwest, if you're traveling towards Portland or Seattle, boy, you're going into the weather. There'll be all kinds of waves coming in. Tomorrow, not much going on. On Sunday, a little cloud cover increasing. Not much going on, but Sunday later in the day, some snow showers pushing into the east portions of Oregon here. This is Monday, but notice it's 7 o'clock in the evening, not in the morning. And so we may not get snow for the morning commute. Right now, it does not appear we'll have snow for the morning commute on Monday, but maybe later in the day, some snow showers coming through. See the deeper blue showing up here? This is Tuesday night and Wednesday morning. A good chance for snow Wednesday morning commute time in Idaho as this storm system pushes on through. Then we get a little bit of a break on Thursday. Then on Friday, another system could come in, then maybe a little bit of a break. And then on Sunday, another storm system comes in. You get the picture with that snow flying on in. So here's the future cast now. This is just through Monday at 1 p.m. So we're past the morning commute, but the snow is just barely getting to the border of Idaho and Oregon. If that trend stays the same, we shouldn't have an issue, but there's a chance we could get snow coming in earlier. Let's take a look at the ski area forecast. Keep in mind, this is a generalized forecast for 10 days, but it shows 1 to 2 feet of snow in central Idaho starting again a little bit later. It'd be fun if Anthony Lakes actually got 45 inches. It's not out of the question. We see that certainly. But that's a 10-day forecast. Let's first of all take a look at our exclusive true view of tomorrow's weather today. We should get into the low to maybe mid-30s in the Western Valley tomorrow, but there'll be some cloud cover, close to 30 in the Treasure Valley, some places in the upper 20s, some more low clouds and fog around in the morning. No big changes coming up for your Saturday. So if you're heading outside, that cold will just kind of permeate your clothing, and you'll just notice it. If you're hanging on outside, you'll definitely notice a change there. Frigid conditions in Stanley and the Magic Valley tomorrow. Will be cold as well, with temperatures near 20 in the morning. My extended forecast, here it is. Snow likely a little bit on Monday later in the day. Wednesday, a bigger storm system we'll have to watch, and then maybe again towards the weekend. So a snowier week ahead. Enjoy the weekend without the snow, but it will still be cold.
Do you hear that? That's a lot of kids saying, boo, we wanted a 3-day weekend.
Yeah, I'm not seeing that on Monday morning right now.
Okay, thanks, Scott.